Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch, TouchBar latest model. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. 8th generation quad-core Intel Core i5 processor. Brilliant Retina display with True Tone technology. TouchBar and Touch ID. Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645. Ultrafast SSD. 2 Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports. Up to 10 hours of battery life. This will be my third MacBook Pro in about 10 years, accidentally damaged the last one on my own. Nothing to do with Apple/the computer itself, and by far my favorite model yet. The Touch Bar is a really cool feature once you learn how to utilize all the functions properly, especially when using apps such as Microsoft Word. This computer is super lightweight and fast, making it easy to take/use on the go. My only complaint is that there's only Thunderbolt ports/you have to buy extra adapters, not looking forward to having to always carry those around in case I need them. I am still becoming used to the Touch Bar but so far have loved it. I have noticed that it gets hotter than my MacBook Air after running a few different apps. Other than that, no complaints. Hope this one will last me for years to come. If you are looking for an Apple Mac and a first-time user, this one will definitely be worth your time and money from what I have experienced. The MacBook Pro can handle multiple tasks at once, is easy to use, and a beautiful machine. I really love how thin it is, and the durability seems great so far. Well improved version. Faster and more reliable than the older models. I have no had any issue with it so far, the butterfly keyboard issues have yet to happen to me, the computer is super fast and it's great for use as a programmer. I was pretty skeptical after reading the other reviews, but the price was pretty good and Amazon has always been a secure source to buy from, so I ordered mine Friday, it came today. I got exactly what I paid for, I'm definitely happy with the purchase. Not going into specific details about the laptop itself because there's a million other detailed reviews of it on YouTube, mainly just writing a review to explain my purchase experience. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.